So that makes 800 kilos.
What's wrong?
There ain't nothing wrong with that engine. Maybe you ain't giving it enough juice.
So this week I got delivered this engine. It's a little lysmaskine, as we say in Danish, or a light engine. So it's a small AC generator for Omala. I bought it on Facebook Marketplace, pretty cheap. It has a brand new generator from 2019, and the seller thought it was a Perkins, so it was being sold as a Perkins 3-cylinder generator, but it's actually a Mitsubishi K3D, which apparently is licensed by Perkins or something. At least it's based on a Kubota, but it's a Mitsubishi and it looks a lot like a Perkins, so I'm not entirely sure what it is. But it runs fine. It has 3-phase power that I haven't tested yet. Single phase works, but I don't want to test the 3-phase yet before I have fuses and things installed on the outlet of it. And it starts up okay. It had some trouble. I think it has also been standing still for a while, but once it got running, it was fine. So that will make a nice addition in the engine room for Omala. So it has a wet exhaust and a nice heat exchanger in the front, so it fits with my salt water, freshwater cooling on the boat. Yeah, so that works.